Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you send money on Venmo. In order to send money on Venmo, you have to follow these steps. First thing, locate and open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Then you simply want to tap the pay or request button located at the bottom of the screen. So when you do it, what next you want to do is you need to use the search bar to find the person you want to pay or request money from. You could search by their name, Venmo username, phone number, or email address as well. After which, what you have to do is enter the amount and note, that is, input the amount you want to send and add a note to the payment if you need it. Tap the pay or request button to finalize the interactions. And once you've actually done it, click on transfer, and you could go ahead and select either instant or you want to go with a bank transfer, that is 1 or 3 business days. You could go ahead and select it, and that way you'll have successfully transferred the funds. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.